Hi friends, welcome to my channel. What foods are good for you? You must know what sort of food can help you better. Know the benefits of nutrients. Foods contribute a major role to develop and maintain our health. Foods are our friends and are more important than medicines. In fact, in some instances, foods are medicines. Know your friends well, that is the foods, as they can help you well in disease prevention also, not only keeping you fit and energetic. So we must know what sort of foods we should take, and specifically if we are at problem, then at that time of problem, what sort of food should be better for us. What foods help a better digestion? Suppose you have digestion problem, then what sort of food you should take? Vegetables like beet, ginger, lemon, raw banana, green leafy veggies, sweet potato, carrot, cucumber help a lot. Fruits like papaya, banana, apple, kiwi, guava, mango, musumbi. Other things like whole grain, brown rice, lentils, drinking more water, taking oats. These things help in better digestion. Milk products like yogurt, non-veg products like fatty fish. These help a lot for digestion. Now we should remember these are not the only things, but these are few examples which you can use. We have used it. So based on our experience, based on our life experience, we are just highlighting it to you so that you can benefit from this one. But it all depends on individual health condition and the climatic condition. So, but what to avoid to have better digestion? Avoid sugary drinks. Try to avoid spicy foods, fatty and fried foods. So these are very much required to know what you should take and what you should not take. Now, what foods are good for your heart? Vegetables like green leafy vegetables, spinach, beans, tomato, fruits like berries, almond, others like oats, whole wheat, olive oil, yogurt, fatty fish. But you must avoid junk foods, trans fats, refined flours, sugary drinks to keep your heart strong and active. These are like medicines. What foods are good for your liver? You know, liver is very important organ of the body. So vegetables like beetroot, broccoli, spinach helps a lot to keep your liver in good condition. Fruits, grapes, blueberries, pears, almond. So eat a balanced diet with grains, milk, poultry products. Have some coffee, some green tea sometimes. Eat more food with fibers. Those fiber foods can help us a lot for better digestion also and keep the liver well. So what to avoid to keep liver healthy? So avoid fatty foods, foods with too much sugar, too much salt, packaged foods, too much alcohol. So this can help you to keep your liver strong. What foods are good for kidney? Kidney is a very important function organ of the body, and if it does not function, then it will be very difficult to clean your blood. So vegetables, garlic, onion, cabbage, cauliflower, spinach, kale, fruits like berries, cherries, red grapes, apple help a lot to keep your kidney well. Then fish with high omega-3 fatty acid, egg white, these things also help. Then what to avoid to keep your kidney well? Like canned material kept for a long time, whole wheat bread, brown rice, banana, pickles, processed meat, orange juice. Too much of these things damage your kidney. So try to avoid these things. Of course, limited amounts are always permitted, but you must think that what is good for you and what amount is bad for you. So what foods are good for your brain and memory? For brain and memory, vegetables like broccoli, pumpkin seeds are very good. Use turmeric, have nuts and oranges, have milk with less fat, take eggs. And what to avoid? Avoid sugary drinks, refined carbs and carbohydrates, processed food, alcohol, fish high in mercury. So avoid those things to keep your brain in a good order. So what foods are good for lungs? For lungs, take vegetables like carrot, beans, garlic, ginger, chili, pumpkin seeds, red bell pepper, broccoli, sweet potato, tomato, red cabbage, olive oil, lentils, fruits like apple, grapes, oranges, avocado, blueberries, Brazil nuts, have yogurt. So what to avoid to keep your lungs well? That is fried food, carbonated beverages, excessive salt. Then how can you keep your hair in a very good condition? Because hair also gives you a very good look. You must try to keep your hair well. Your hair should not fall very frequently too much. So vegetables like carrot, which is rich in vitamin A, spinach, whole grain, sweet potato, avocado, seeds, leafy green vegetables, fruits like berries, nuts, milk products, few milk products of course, poultry like egg, fatty fish. Egg is good for hair. So just keep in mind these things. This can help you to keep your hair and root of the hair well. What foods are good for skin? Skin matters a lot. Your skin, neither it should be dried nor it should be too much oily. It should have a fair status. So vegetables like avocado, sunflower seeds, sweet potato, broccoli, red yellow bell pepper, tomato, soy, fruits like walnut, red grapes help you to keep your skin intact and in a good condition. You may be black in color, you may be fair in color, that's not a problem. Your skin should be very much intact. Your skin should be very much helping you. So milk products like yogurt, poultry material like fatty fish, green tea, this helps to keep the skin in a good order. So we should try to keep these things in mind. What sort of foods are good for your gut? That means how to keep your stomach well. Vegetables like olive oil, legumes, beans, lentils, whole grains, bitter gourd, fruits like almond, berries, milk products like yogurt, prebiotic foods, plant-based diets, small sized fish. These things help a lot to keep your gut well. So what to avoid? Avoid too much of fatty foods. Avoid too much of alcohol. So what are the foods that keep your teeth well? Teeth also is very important. Unless you chew the food well, it will not be digested well. So vegetables like carrot, green leafy vegetables like spinach, coriander leaves, carrot sticks, peas, broccoli, beans, cabbage, butter gourds, shrimp, mirchi, onion leaves, kale. These things help a lot to keep your teeth well. Fruits like nuts, apple, almond, milk products like cheese, yogurt, green tea, these help a lot. Poultry like lil meat, these help a lot to keep your tooth well. So just keep in mind these things so that you also take sometimes this type of food and keep your body well. Then what sort of foods are good for fertility? Vegetables like quinoa, lentils, beans, foods rich with antioxidants. Eat more food with fiber, protein-rich foods. That helps a lot to improve fertility. Fruits like blueberries, walnuts, milk products like dairy products, yogurt, cheese, egg, lean meat poultry products. These things help keep fertility well. And what to avoid? Avoid trans fat as far as possible. Then what helps? What food help you to keep your bones and joints better? Vegetables like green leafy veggies, spinach, coriander leaves, carrot sticks, peas, broccoli, beans, cabbage, butter gourd, mirchi, onion liver, okra or lady's finger, tofu, fruits like nuts, grapes, fig. These help a lot to keep your bones in a good order. Then milk products like yogurts, cheese, milk, poultry products like fish, calcium fortified foods. Take more of these things to make your bones strong. Then muscles. How to improve your muscles, how to maintain your muscles, how to keep your muscles in good order. So take vegetables like soybeans, quinoa, chickpeas, tofu, brown rice, fruits like peanuts, protein-rich foods, almond. Take sometimes milk products like yogurt, cheese, poultry products like egg, fish, lean meat. So these keep your muscles strong. Then what to take to keep your eyes well? Eyes are very important organ of the body. So you must keep your eyes in a better condition. So how to keep that? What sort of vegetables should you take? Green leafy vegetables like spinach, coriander leaves, carrot sticks, peas, broccoli, beans, cabbage, butter gourds, mirchi, onion liver, kale, legumes help a lot to keep your eyes better. Fruits like nuts, oranges, blueberries, poultry products like fish, egg. These things help out. These are only some examples. It is not that these are exhaustive ones. No. These are some examples which can help you. What to avoid to keep your eyes better? So too much of trans fat must be avoided. Trans fats, fried foods should be avoided. So if you keep these things in mind, what to take and what to avoid, I think it will help you a lot. And foods are always good for us, and foods are our friends. Know the characteristics of the foods. Veggies and fruits are more important. So far as the nutrients are concerned, out of 3 macronutrients like carbohydrates, like proteins and fats, veggies and these fruits play a very vital role. Take different colors of veggies and fruits, and those will help you to have different types of micronutrients like vitamins, minerals. So have some various sorts of rainbow products, different color products, and enjoy good health and good lifestyle. Thank you. Wish you all the best.